Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you guys? Today we're gonna talk in the first video about Power Apps, and this course will be very useful for the most people who's working as a software engineer. So if you are in the entry level or you have an experience, so you are in the right place. Currently, I am a Power platform specialist and Microsoft Speaker. So I will start with you in this course on the Power Platform. So we will start together in each component of the Power Platform as a complete course, inshallah. The course will be theoretical and practical parts, and we will combine them together to understand the theoretical basis on which we will build the practice. The Power Platform is a code development system extended through Office 365, Azure Dynamic 365, and standalone applications. Um, it is actually this is the future in software manufacturing, and it's aimed at Microsoft. The advantage of the Power Platform is that you can work on it even if you don't have any background in software. So we will start together, inshallah, from level 0 until we reach the professional level. It's enough for you to know that the Microsoft skills we had for speakers, and almost all of them disappeared in um, Egypt and Saudi Arabia. This is Arab in Arab world in general. And as you know that if you are new to software or want to enter the field of app development or want to learn the Power Platform or Office 365, you are in the right place. Okay, so let's get started. Now, as we know that without the further do, and we will start our course in the Power Platform, which is about the Power Apps. The Power Apps course is fully prepared and presented and previewed by Professor uh, uh, Muhammad Gohar. He's a Microsoft MVP and community leader, and he will be with uh, us in the course in the future. If you are looking for knowledge and want to be an app developer, even if you don't have background software, this course will be benefit you because the main purpose of the emergency of the Power Apps or the Power Platform in general is that the number of apps developers who go out to the job market every year was low for the market requirement. For the reason Microsoft decided to make the Power Apps or no code system that anyone who knows Microsoft Office has especially Excel and build application, the weather on the web or mobile app by drag and drop. So let's know how the first course will be arranged with us and how we will go about it. In the principle, the course is divided into 8 chapters. Each chapter will have a set of theoretical and practical lecture. And the first chapter, the Power Apps basics, will talk about the basics of the Power Apps. We will know what we will start with the basics of the Power Apps. We will know how to make sign before the Power Apps and what are the types of apps, data source, and basics in general. The second chapter will talk about the first type of apps that I can create, which is in Canvas apps. On we will talk deeply about the Canva apps and build app in different ways with different data sources. In the third chapter, we will talk about Dataverse. It is a type of database that store data on the cloud, and the other types of built apps are built on it. And in fourth chapter, we will talk about the model-driven app, which is another type of apps that I can create in the Power Apps. And in order to create it, we must know Dataverse. In the fifth chapter, we will talk about it in this portal. It is a website that is also based on Dataverse. In the sixth chapter, we will talk about the AI and how it helps us in the Power Apps. We will also find that the whole topics and consider the low code, no code, and there are certain structures that we will follow. In the seventh chapter, we will talk about the administrations in general of the Power Apps. In the eighth chapter, we will talk about the team integration, which is a Microsoft team and its relationship with the Power Apps, and how to integrate the two together. So there are actually in the eighth chapter that we will gonna talk about in the first course, which is the Power Apps in the first course and in the Power Platform. Thanks for watching, and